Hey there, everyone. I'm Debbie with Watercolors That Glow, and this is my YouTube channel that's all about painting with a limited palette, just 3 transparent staining colors. Now, I have a website and I have a subscription membership on my website, but for those of you that just stick with YouTube, this is a really reasonable way to be able to see exclusive tutorials, and I will be posting 1 to 2 per month. Some will be pre-filmed and some are live replays of some workshops that I have hosted on my website. The other thing that you will get is once a month. I'm also going to do maybe more than once a month, depending on, how busy I get. But I want to do just some live painting, just on something that's my own painting, so you can watch me paint it and you can see why I choose the colors that I choose and why I'm painting the way I'm painting and why I'm picking those 3 colors. So I'm going to do that once, maybe more per month. Plus, I'll also have a monthly Q&A where you can come on, you can ask me questions, you can show me your paintings, I can show you how to make them better. So that's basically what you're going to get with this membership, and it's going along with the free part of my YouTube channel. With the membership, these things will be exclusive just for you. So I hope you join, and I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.